Fill up time. We ready to catch it. No, Buddha.
Get this cigarette.
Oh, she changed her shirt. She changed her shirt. Come on, man. You gotta do your challenge, man. You cheating, man. Wait. All right.
You ain't getting your head wet, right?
No. I need this. You gotta hold it up and just let him run the water down your neck. Hold on, give me a second. Give me a second. She's scared. Come on, man. My phone done.
Hold on. Right.
It's 2 seconds. Who do you challenge?
Tiffany
And Prince. To 1 bucket.
Yeah, why just wet barely, right?
Yeah.